Hello everyone. Today is Fairy Garden Thursday and I thought I would bring you out here where my clematis is blooming. Isn't that just gorgeous? And there's still a lot of buds to open. This is the side of my house. So here is a hydrangea. It's greening up beautifully with the clematis next to it. And there's another one on the other side of the air conditioning unit. And my two kitty cats. So there's the hydrangea and here's the clematis. Right now I only see one bloom on it, but many more that's about to open. And there is some hostas that's coming up, starting to sprout, and some more flowers. Another hosta. Very pretty. And I thought I'd show you my little bridge garden area. I did plant some marigolds, but that's it so far, and it's just on one side. So I put some faux flowers on each side as well. So I'll show you this. Here's the marigolds. And then there's the faux flowers. They look like lilies. And there's the bridge, and there's my cat Toby. So hopefully I can get some more flowers to put in here eventually. I did start growing some from seed, which I'll show you here in a minute. Some wildflowers that I'm growing from seed, and some more marigolds. But my cats do love it out here. Don't you, boy? Okay, so there's a picture or a video of my bridge garden area. So I'll keep showing you the progress of this as the season goes on. Isn't that right, Toby? He's such a good cat. And the woods back here starting to lush up. Okay, now I'll take you back to the porch and show you my fairy garden. Okay, now I'm on my back porch and I wanted to show you my seedlings that are just starting to sprout, some of them. And these egg carton worked out perfectly for the seedlings. So you can see they're starting to sprout. These are marigold seedlings. And then I have a couple more potted. See, this one's starting to sprout. Little fairy in that one. Another little fairy. And my little spider plant. And I thought I'd try growing flowers from seeds. There's my little fairy garden in that one. So I'll show you the progress of the seeds. Hopefully they will be pretty flowers at some point. The seeds I got them at the Dollar General. They were $2 a box. So there's the marigold. And then I had gotten some hummingbird wildflower blend and Eliasum. So we'll see how they'll do. I've never grown flowers from seeds before, so I'm curious to see how they will do. In my little cabinet of fairy accessories. And my little fairy garden over here. It really hasn't changed much, so I'll keep you updated on that as well. The pansies are doing pretty good. And the Candy Tuft marigolds. Okay, I'm here on my front porch and I wanted to show you my Alice in Wonderland and fairy garden. There's Tweedledee and Tweedledum, and there's a fairy, the Mad Hatter, another fairy, and Alice, the rabbit, the Cheshire Cat, and the Queen of Hearts with another little fairy. And some pretty flowers. And then we have another fairy way up here. So this is my front porch that I recently redid after Easter. There's still some Easter stuff out here. There's my front door. And here I've got my little mushroom fairy house with a little gnome inside a bird cage. So I think it looks very nice. What do you think?